Kindly rise for the national song.
Your role for institute development was remarkable and your contribution.
Sir, to deliver the welcome address.
The department.
I hope everyone is doing well, and I'm excited to share you that ICAI Research Complex for the Northeastern Hilly region is now on the airwaves. Yes, bringing valuable agricultural knowledge directly to you through Akashvani Northeast Service, Shillong. So join us on every Sunday from January 11th at 7:30 p.m. Our scientists will be on the radio to share scientific information about agriculture, animal husbandry, poultry and fisheries. So don't miss this one.
Now for the best administrative / finance staff, Shri Arindam Chaudhary, Personal Assistant KVK Hailakandi. Please.
During the last 51 years, 91 crop varieties of different crops. And these developed varieties have covered an area of 235,000 hectares in Northeast. As well as, because of the adoption of these varieties, there is an increase in the yield of the different crops, which ranges from 12 to 16%. So apart from these varieties, we have developed 241 technologies or protocols, and out of these, 14 technologies have already been certified by ICAI during the last 2 years. And apart from this, the institute has developed 60 integrated farming system models, and one of the model of there is integrated organic farming system model has been recognized. It was highlighted in United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties, that is COP26, held in Glasgow during 2021. So it also developed 18 diagnostic kits, and within the last 5 years we have received 4 patents. And during the last 12 years we have conducted more than